What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna show you how to make an Instagram theme page. So what is an Instagram theme page? So an Instagram theme page is basically a page of a certain category or niche. This could be about anything such as cars, cats, fashion, model, inspiration. And essentially what you could do with these pages is grow them and use them as a way to make money online. But making money using these theme pages will be for another video, so stay tuned for that. But that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you need is a niche. You need to find something that you like or something that you're really interested in, because I found out that when you're not interested in a theme page, it's really hard to grow, especially starting from the beginning, because usually in the beginning is where the hardest part is. My recommendation is try to pick a niche that you are really interested in. This could be whatever you like. If you're a person that likes inspiration, motivation, you could start a motivational page. If you're a person that likes cars, you could start a car page. Whatever the case is, just start something that you like, because in the long run, it will help you a lot. Now, step 2. So for step 2, you need username and an email. I recommend doing this because it keeps everything organized and it's better in the long run, especially when you want to know later on. This is one of the ideas of business, sell your page, and selling with the email is going to be much easier than selling it with your own email. This next thing you need is a username. What I recommend is try to find a username that is clean, no spaces, no numbers, something that makes it look clean and related to your niche. The more cleaner it looks, the better, because it won't look so spammy. And when people want to follow you, people want to follow an actual page, not a spammy page, because people don't like following a spammy page. And there's a lot of spams on Instagram. So try to keep the username clean. Next thing you need to create is a logo. So for the logo, I try to create something clean, simple, like always. There's a technique where what I use is I use KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what you're gonna do with your logo. You want to create something simple, easy, nice, pleasing to the eye. Try to use something like Canva. If you don't know how to create logos, it's a free website. You could look it up. And if you need to look it up, I'll put the website down here, down in the description, so you could go to Canva. You could look for templates, how to create logos, anything. But just try to keep it simple. The more simple, the better. For bio, I try to, like always, username, name, everything. Just keep it simple, clean, no spaces, nothing. For your category, for this, I recommend whatever category you're in, try to keep it in that category. This will help you engage more and select your people better, because a lot of people, they're not into the things that you are, but you're just trying to find the people that you want, that are into your type of niche. So selecting a category will help. In your bio, I usually leave a call to action. So what a call to action is, if people will look at your page, they're gonna read your bio. When I use a call to action such as use follow for more daily content, that's usually my go-to call to action. People see that, they're gonna be like, oh, it's a daily content, I want this type of content every single day. So people are usually gonna follow it. And for emojis, don't try to overdo the emojis, because it just looks like spam. You're just trying to keep it simple. Don't make it look like spam. Don't use 15 emojis in one sentence. It's just not it. It just looks like another spam page, not a real nice theme page. People just want to follow a nice, clean, daily content theme page. That's it. Okay, next is content. So now after everything is set, now you need to start uploading content. For this, there's 2 ways you could go. You could either go an original content, where you create original content, use your own time. A lot of people use this, and it's good because it involves originality. People are not going to see the same things usually all the time. So original content usually is a good way to go. But there's also another route where you can use Repost. So when it comes to Repost, you're basically downloading the other person's content that you like from another creator, and you repost it to your page. This is what a lot of people use, because it's the most easiest way that you could grow your page without making any content. I usually use Repost because creating daily content, it's a lot of work, but I still like the category I like. So at the same time, I help influencers that are trying to grow on Instagram. So it's a win-win for both. So what I usually do is use the app called Repost. If you can't find it in the App Store, I'ma just put a link down here so you guys can go and download it. So basically, I use Repost. I find the content I like. What I usually try to do, I try to find the original creator as hard as possible, because credibility is key as well. If you don't give people credit they deserve for their content, there's going to be some penalties. This involves from fine, lawsuits, and everything else. So try to always credit the creator no matter what. In the long run, it'll help you a lot. So imagine a page going to 10K, you lose all that work. That's it for one post. So try to credit the creators no matter what. And when it comes to posts, I suggest posting 3 videos in a day. And finally, and the last thing you need to know is consistency. So there'll be times where you won't be able to upload. I've had those fair share of days as well. I wasn't able to upload, or you just won't have the motivation to. But the thing is, always be consistent, never stop. In the short run, people just they think that they can just upload 5 videos in a day, 5 to 6 videos in a day. They see no progress and then they just quit automatically and they see it doesn't work. But the truth is, it's a consistency game, 2 to 3, that's it, boom, boom. Upload, and slowly people just start coming. But if you're the person that wants to learn how to get to 1K quickly, fast, efficient, stay tuned for that videos where I'll show you tips and strategies how to grow your Instagram theme page to 1K, because getting to 1K is pretty tough. And that being said, this is a wrap, and stay consistent, stay true, stay positive, and that's it. Peace.